Retirement is one of those things that sneaks up on you. You spend decades working, saving, and planning, but when you finally sit down to think about it, you realize how much is truly at stake. It's not just about living comfortably, it's about protecting your family, leaving behind something meaningful, and knowing that all your hard work won't be undone by forces outside of your control. But the way most of us have been taught to save for retirement, well, it feels like building a house on shifting sands. The world is changing fast, inflation is quietly chipping away at the value of every dollar you save, and the stock market, it could be as volatile as ever, with ups and downs tied to the latest headlines or interest rate decisions. If that's where all your retirement savings are tied up, the question becomes, what happens if the system falters? That's where diversification comes in, not just as a financial strategy, but as a way to help safeguard what you've built. Physical gold and silver give you an opportunity to help secure your future with assets that have stood the test of time. Here are 3 compelling reasons to consider diversifying your retirement savings with gold through a self-directed IRA. Reason number 1, protection against inflation. Inflation is one of those silent dangers that eats away at your savings year after year. The dollars you've worked so hard to save today won't stretch as far tomorrow, but gold has a unique ability to hold its value. For thousands of years, it's been a hedge against inflation, retaining purchasing power even when currencies lose theirs. By adding gold to your portfolio, you're giving yourself a way to shield your savings from the relentless rise in prices. Reason number 2, stability during uncertain times. If there's one constant in the markets, it's volatility. Stocks can swing wildly based on the latest headlines, and bonds are tied to interest rates that seem to change at the drop of a hat. Gold, on the other hand, doesn't play by those rules. It's not tied to any one country or government, making it a reliable asset in times of geopolitical tension or economic uncertainty. Whether it's inflation, global conflict, or a market downturn, gold remains steady while other assets fluctuate. Reason 3, legacy and generational wealth. This one hits home for a lot of people, myself included. Diversifying with gold isn't just about helping to secure your retirement, it's about creating something lasting. Gold and silver are tangible assets that can be passed down to your children and grandchildren, giving them a foundation to build on. It's not just about wealth. It's about leaving a legacy of stability and security for the people you love the most. We're seeing signs that more people are thinking this way. Central banks around the world are increasing their gold reserves. They're diversifying, preparing for a future where the US dollar might not be as dominant as it once was. If the entities that print money are turning to gold, isn't it worth considering for your own savings? And it's not just inflation or currency concerns. Geopolitical tensions are on the rise and global markets are feeling the strain. Historically, gold and silver have been the assets people turn to during times of crisis. They're not tied to politics or policies, they're timeless and they're proven. A self-directed precious metals IRA gives you the ability to hold physical gold and silver. These aren't paper assets or promises, they're yours, real and tangible, and they offer a level of potential control and security that traditional retirement accounts simply cannot match. If you're starting to think this might be the right move for you, now is the time to act. Goldco is offering a unique opportunity. You could qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver when you set up a self-directed IRA or purchase gold and silver. These offers are only available while supplies last, so it's first come, first served. When you request Goldco's free gold and silver kit, you'll receive not only a digital and physical guide, but also audio and video resources to help you make the best decision for your future. It's a comprehensive resource to show you how precious metals can diversify and protect your retirement savings. The decisions we make today will shape the legacy we leave tomorrow. By taking action now, you're not just securing your own peace of mind, you're creating a foundation for the people who matter most. Don't wait until it's too late to help diversify, protect, and secure your future. Call Goldco today and see if you qualify for up to 10% instant match in bonus silver, because when it comes to your family and your legacy, there's no better time to act than now.